because it is a Chanel unboxing, which I'm super excited to share with you guys. However, first, of course, I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and it's so appropriate. Shout out to Brooklyn, New York, because it is so appropriate because my video sponsor today is Ana Luisa jewelry line. These guys are a New York based jewelry company, and they stand by the fact that they have comprised everyday luxury jewelry. I love that kind of saying. That's kind of my new target. If you watch my wish list, I want to get into, you know, investing in gold pieces and things of that nature. These guys go up to 14 carats in gold, so that's really quite good, you know, especially for the prices that they have on their site. So I am super excited to actually unbox this with you guys because I have not seen it. I have a pile of PO Box sitting, and they sent me out some items as well as proudly sponsored this video, which I'm very happy to say. And that's what their packaging looks like. Oh, it's gorgeous. That is such a cute little box. What a gorgeous little box. So there it is. It's got these fabulous little blue polka dots all over it. Ana Luisa Jewelry, New York. It's probably blowing out a little bit, but let's go ahead and look at the items. Oh, gorge. Oh, gorgeous. Look at the soft pouches. Oh my gosh. Very bougie. Love it. Love it already. Presents so well as a gift. You know, this is luxe for sure. Wow. 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 Beautiful. Straight away, great shock value in how it presents. You get a little Ana Luisa dust cloth, I guess. So they come on the little card like so. How beautiful. So they sent me two little pendants there. I'll get in some really beautiful shots, and I'll actually, if you notice, I'm not adorned with any jewelry because we will choose one of these to put on. This one's so gorgeous with a little dove, and has a little crystal in the middle there of the star. So really gorgeous how it presents. This is a little chain bracelet, almost like a little mini stacked chain bracelet. So dainty, so beautiful. All of their jewelry has the little tag on it, Ana Luisa. So you have your little, it's like a little authenticity tag. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. That is beautiful. So that was in pouch number 1. Let's open pouch number 2. I'm going to link all these items below, the exact items that have been picked and sent out to me so that you can see all the details. There you go. There's your other little dust pouch, the dust cloth. And oh, this is their really famous one. So this is their really famous one that I did see on their site, and it's the like horn, I think in gold. So my style. This is so my George. Actually, I think this is the one we're gonna put on. And then finishing up, we have this lovely pair of pearl drop earrings with like the gold disc at the top. Oh, I'm holding it upside down. They are so pretty. That looks like a freshwater pearl to me. So I would definitely link those below. Gorgeous, so dainty and so feminine actually. Really beautiful. And is not on a card. However, I think it's a double strand. Maybe it's meant to come on the horn as a double strand. So this is a coin. This is a coin. I think it does come on a double strand. However, I'm not quite sure, but this is the one of the coin necklaces. Again, they're super famous for their like coin necklace and the horn necklace. I'm totally going to stack those for this video, actually, I've decided. So that is them, guys. That is Ana Luisa from New York, Brooklyn, New York. Jewelry company who have happily sponsored this video. And what, you know, a gorgeous, like, look at the presentation in this gorgeous little felt bag makes for a beautiful little gift. And of course, as always, whenever these companies do contact me, I say look, my subbies are my zhuzh. So if you have a discount code for me, I'm going to be happy about it. And they were like, sure, we're going to throw you a discount code. No worries. I'm going to link it below. It will be something around $10 off, she told me. So it'll be like Jerusha 10. So thank you to Ana Luisa Jewelry Company up in New York, Brooklyn, for sponsoring this video. So as I said, this is possibly the most perfect video to be filming today, as we are in fashion iconic morning for one of the world's greatest, most genius fashion designers there ever was. I'm proud to say that simply because of how incredibly fashion forward and innovative this man was. He was beyond creative in the way he thought and the way he portrayed these houses. And it's not only for Chanel. I know a lot of people are thinking, oh yeah, that Chanel designer. No, you know, this man headed so many of the world's top luxury brands and luxury houses. And actually I want to shout out to my gorgeous Miss Daily Sweet again. She put out a beautiful video in memory of Karl Lagerfeld and the work he did, with some really great facts that you may not know about him, that the average person may not know about him unless you studied him or know that side of the fashion industry and different ways he got in and around and just pushed the envelope, as many different designers before him did, including Mademoiselle Gabrielle Chanel, and that's why he gelled so well with the house. But moving on, this unboxing is in honor of him. I honestly felt like I sat there in tears listening to BBC report the news of his passing and what is led to be his private struggle with cancer. And yes, so this is in honor of him and is an unboxing from Fashionphile. So here is my Fashionphile confetti and my proof of purchase and all the warranties, authenticity for life, return slips, all of that good stuff. And in here we will have a, yes, Fashionphile dust bag. Of course, they pop it in their dust bags. But this listing, I think, came with a dust bag. It didn't come with a box. To show you my latest Chanel purchase. Ha! Ta-da! It is so iconic for the moment. In honor of Karl Lagerfeld, the king of black and white and monochromatic, you know, just iconicness of what Chanel, the brand, the house stood for. His interlocking CC logo clasp, the reinterpretation of the Mademoiselle turnlock, which you typically see on a 2.55. Honestly, this couldn't have come at a more classic time to honor the great designer. But this is my new to me from Fashionphile mini rectangular flap in caviar leather and with silver hardware. And this was so specific to wanting to add this. If you watched my luxury wish list, sorry, I said I wanted to add this mini to my collection, to have a black mini in my collection. However, I have once before seen this combination of black mini once before in real life, in person, and that was with Michael, the past manager at Westfield Bondi Junction Chanel. It was, I even showed it in a vlog, I think. It was a square mini in this exact combination. This, I think even this exact series, like the date that it was made, because of how it is constructed. This is truthfully, if this was a double flap, obviously it would be a classic. But this is as close to a classic flap with two flaps as you're gonna get in a single flap. Does that make sense? That didn't sound like it made sense. if minis were classic flaps, this would definitely be in the classic flap series. And why do I say that? Because to me, I'm not gonna say this states classic Chanel, but to me, what is classic Chanel? This is my vintage double flap. What is classic Chanel is the black lambskin or caviar with the burgundy interior. So this beautiful deep wine colored oxblood lining that you get in these items. To me, I know a double flap is what is classic, however, to me, this burgundy lining just screams classic Chanel. So that is my vintage double flap. My other items, I'll just quickly go over them, that I have in the burgundy lining is caviar, and this has got the fabric lining, but it's burgundy as you can see. I have my mini zip case, jeez, in black lambskin with the burgundy lining, as you can see, in cotton drill. So that is 3 items with the burgundy lining. I have my XL card case in caviar with the burgundy lining, as you can see, again, cotton drill. And I have acquired, again from Fashionphile, the 4 key holder with the burgundy lining, as you can see there, on lambskin. So knowing that is what feels so classic to me, when this beautiful mini rectangular came up on the side, I had my alert set. You can set alerts for items that you're looking for in Fashionphile, and when it came up and I saw that it was the series or the year that square mini that I saw with Michael was made, I knew that, ta-da, it would have the burgundy lining. So it came with its dust bag, like I said I thought it would. So there we have a little mini dust bag. That's always nice to have. Sorry, you've got your authenticity tags to cut off from Fashionphile, and let me pull the chains through so you can get a good shot of our burgundy lining. And the second I saw that it was that, I knew that it would be this structured, thick caviar feel. You know, there's all different types of caviar. None of these leathers are going to be consistent through each season of the design house and the collections that they do. There is also burgundy lining in leather on the back of the Mona Lisa smile pocket. But I knew from feeling that square mini with Michael that the second I saw this, and it was silver hardware, the square mini was silver hardware, the second I saw this come up on Fashionphile in excellent condition. Shout out to my girl Tonya. Hi babe. Oh my god, if you guys have not seen her current Chanel unboxing, go and watch it. I will link it below. She scored literally a brand new, like, it wasn't listed as brand new, but as I've said before, Fashionphile to me underplay their gradings hardcore, facts. So this was listed as excellent, hers was listed as excellent, but guys, I mean, other than flap creasing, which is very common, very, very common, more common on lambskin as well, this bag just looks, the whole chain is straight, the leather is straight, the hardware is barely, it said scratches, but I mean, you would have to put a magnifying glass on to see. Look, not one little speck down inside, and because it's leather lined, you assumed it could scratch. You've got your hologram down inside there. It says Chanel made in Italy. You've got your little slip pocket classic mini. You've still got plastic on your zipper pull because there is a back zipper pocket, and inside we have authenticity card. It's a 24 series. So this was the series that I was talking about that I saw in boutique with Michael way back when, and I just knew it was this burgundy, you know, in my eyes, classic burgundy situation that screams like just pure Chanel to me. Absolute pure Chanel. So obviously my boy is black and grey inside. My single flak jumbo is black inside. My GST is black inside. But, and then obviously this is all seasonal down here, and these minis, and then seasonal with the Urban Spirit is black inside. But these are just, to me, like classic, just classic Chanel. So let's go ahead and cut this bad boy off because it ain't going anywhere, girl. No, you better stay with me, friend. So your tags always tell you what you got. Chanel Caviar Quilted Mini Rectangular Flap comes with authenticity card and dust bag. So there it is. It is just stunning. It is stunning. And the structure, everything about this little mini rectangular is exactly what I remember it as in the square. If you've watched me with my different takes on these minis, the square is not particularly, you know, Jerusha friendly. I'm curvier, I'm taller, it's a shorter strap. The chain is not adjustable if you know minis, and he hits me a lot shorter, and it's kind of teeny weeny. It just looks crazy. I'm not going to try this on for mod shots. I am due in 3 weeks, so look, it's not going to be a realistic approach to what my body looks like right now, but I just wanted to unbox this with you guys, show you, dedicate this video to my absolute hero, Karl Lagerfeld. I studied him in 2nd year at Fashion College as well, along with the house, along with Coco Chanel, and truthfully I tell you, he was unbelievable and so fashion forward, and the world will miss you. You were a god, and you just portrayed and oozed like gumption, you know. He was so, it was so controversial, yet he was so fashion forward, and he stuck to his guns. And I think that's one of the most amazing things about a designer, is because you can get so swept away with what needs to sell, what needs to look good, you know, appeal to this market, that market, but he stuck to his guns, and he was just revolutionary. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Again, I will leave the links below for the items from Ana Luisa that I was sent. I will also link the code below for the discount of $10 off your order. Go and check out their site, you guys. Honestly, as gifts for mum, auntie, sister, this is gorgeous. Honestly, just gorgeous. So me the horn. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, that would be great, guys. And as always, thank you so much for your ongoing support. I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Peace.